Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you where you can find your chat ID in your conversations with the Shift AI browser. So let us dive into this. So guys, head over to the Shift AI browser, access the AI chat. You will find it in the top left, or use the shortcut Control plus and then a dot. If you haven't enabled it yet, you can enable it through the gear icon in the top right and enable Shift AI chat here. So guys, for this method you will need to access one of these chats, for example here. And here, from there, you will need to access your Shift AI chat settings. To do that, click into these three dots in the top right, choose settings. Here, what you want to do is navigate to About You. And at the bottom, you will see this copy button to copy your chat ID here. If, for example, you need it to communicate, I don't know, with the support and help center here on Shift AI, or for any other reasons. So that's how you find your chat user ID here on Shift AI browser. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.